amis, comment vous allez? Welcome back to Dab's Cuisine. So today I'm making spinach, and you can see here I have my spinach. It's frozen, it's not natural, so today we're doing with the frozen one. I have a little bit of smoked fish. I just wanted to give it the flavor. I have my green onion, and I have my, how do you call it again, champignon, mushrooms. I'm gonna put some mushrooms. I have my tomato, I have my Maggi. Those are the ingredients that I need to make my spinach. So here I have my shrimp and my salmon. So I'm going to season my salmon. I'm going to use a little bit of seasoned Morton seasoned oil. It's salt, it's very salted. I'm just gonna put a little bit, and I'm going to use Old Bay because this is for seafood, it's for fish, and it's for shrimp. And I'm just going to use that. I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to turn it around. You can see this is my seasoning for the shrimp and the salmon. I bought the shrimp at farmers market because I like my shrimp to be very natural, give the natural taste. And here I have my shrimp. So I'm going to season it, but I am going to season it with my all-purpose seasonings. I sell it. Thanksgiving is coming. It's coming back, so you can have tasty food. I'm just gonna put like 2 tablespoons. That's it, not too much. So I'm just going to turn it around. I'm just going to turn it. I'm going to soak it in the seasoning. By the time I finish doing my legume, I think it should be fine. So this is it. What I'm gonna do, I bought some white pepper from Congo, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of it, just because white pepper always adds something on the flavor of the food. So guys, for this seasoning, I'm going to be selling it for Thanksgiving. Make your order soon, it's gonna be available. And this is what I did, so I can't really tell you, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. So this is it. Let's go back. I'm gonna leave it. Let's go back to our next step. So guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, not too much. So as you can see, our oil just is ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my green onion and my onion. What I'm gonna do, I'm just going to stir it. So guys, now I'm gonna add my smoked fish. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I'm already having it with fish. So this is just for the flavor, really. And I'm going to let it cook. So guys, as you see, it is cooking very well. I'm gonna add my mushrooms. So when I'm adding my mushrooms, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put my Maggi. As you can see, I am going to add my Maggi. It's normal Maggi is 3. You don't want to put too much because your fish has salt in it. So I'm just going to stir it. I'm going to add garlic powder. Usually I like the natural one, but I'm just going to use the garlic powder for today. And what we're going to do, we're going to stir it very well and let it cook. So guys, we're going to check on our food and see. Yes. So So guys, as you can see, you see how you can see it's good. I'm gonna taste. Tastes good. So now it's time to put our spinach. I have 2 packs of spinach. I bought it at Walmart. It depends on how you really want it. I don't think I'm gonna put it all. I'm not gonna add water because this spinach is frozen. Most likely it's gonna bring its frozen water out. And I did clean it too. You know, even though it's frozen, I clean it. I double cleaned it just in case. You know, it's vegetable. Okay guys, so I know I said I'm not gonna add a little water, but I'm just gonna add a little bit, just a little bit, because I feel like so I know I said I wasn't gonna add water, but I added a little bit because I realized that by washing it I drained all the water out. So I just put a little bit. So I'm gonna leave it open because I want it to be drained. Here I have my plantains because I'm gonna eat it with boiled plantain. So yeah, I'll be back. So guys, I'm back. I added some 2 pepper and I added 1 Maggi because I felt like it was not enough salt. So here our spinach is ready. So I am just going to take time to actually make my side dish, which is my fish and shrimp. So guys, yeah, see you until the finished part. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am done. As you can see here, I have my spinach. The thing with the frozen spinach is really doesn't come out green like that, although if you leave it open. I left it open, but you can see. So I have it here, my spinach. I have my salmon looking yummy as usual, and my boiled plantain. There you have it. Well, if you make it, tag me on my Instagram page, and then I'll see you next time.